welcome to the deep dive. So today we're going to use one single component as a lens to understand the whole world of professional AV over IP.
Right.
We're talking about the Blustream IP300UHD-TX transmitter.
Yeah, and the mission here really is to show you how this one device kind of illustrates this massive industry shift.
A shift away from the old expensive hardware.
Exactly. Moving from that dedicated matrix, switching to something much more flexible, all managed on a standard network.
Okay, so let's unpack this. What stands out immediately are the core performance specs.
The numbers, yeah.
We're talking 4K UHD at 60 hertz, and crucially, 4.4.4 color space.
And that's an 18 gigabit per second signal. That 4.4.4, it's not a small detail. That means you get perfect color fidelity.
A must-have for anything professional, like digital signage or broadcast.
Absolutely. But what's fascinating to me is how it distributes that signal.
Okay.
It's virtually latency-free. I mean, we're talking about just one frame of delay.
One frame over a standard 1 gigabit managed network.
A standard 1 gig network. That near zero lag is just critical. Think about a command center or, live events. Lip sync has to be perfect.
And what about connectivity? That's always a big question.
Well, it covers pretty much all the bases. You've got your standard 100 meters over a single SIC cable for most jobs.
Sure, the basics.
But then it also has an SFP fiber port. So if you need to go over much longer distances, like across a campus, you can.
And for power?
Simple. Power over Ethernet. PoE. So it just draws power right from the network switch. One less cable to worry about.
So, okay, you've got speed, you've got range. But what about scale? What happens when you need, 50 screens? Or even 1,000?
And that connects us to the bigger picture here. This thing basically removes the ceiling on system size.
So it's virtually unlimited.
Pretty much. You're not stuck with an 8x8 or a 16x16 matrix switcher anymore. That's the real insight here.
Right, but it's not just about the video, is it? It's also doing control, audio, all on one wire. That sounds complicated to set up.
You'd think so, but no, not really. The complexity is all handled by the device. It has independent routing for IR, RS-232 for your legacy gear, and even USB KVM.
KVM, so keyboard, video, and mouse.
Yep. So you could be controlling a source PC from a display that's like 500 meters away, totally independent of what video is showing.
And with that level of control, I imagine the audio has to be just as solid.
Oh, absolutely. The audio is top-notch. It supports all the HDMI formats you can think of, including Dolby Atmos and DTS HD Master Audio.
And I see it has an audio breakout.
It does, which is a huge feature. You can break out the audio to optical SPDIF or to analog LR outputs. And that analog out even supports balance signals, which, is vital in pro setups to kill noise on long cable runs.
So let's bring this all together. What does this actually mean for the person installing it?
That's the key question, isn't it? How can one box do so much?
The operational modes.
Exactly. It has 4 distinct modes built right in. You've got your standard matrix distribution, you have a video wall mode, and then you have a simple one-to-one HDMI extender and a one-to-many extender.
And the extender modes, they don't even need a network switch.
Not at all. For a quick install, say in a single classroom, you just link them peer-to-peer, you save on extra gear. It's incredibly adaptable.
All right, so that was our deep dive. Let's do a quick recap for you.
All right.
We've got high-spec 4K, 60 hertz video, near zero latency, basically unlimited scalability, and 4 different system roles in one platform.
And to leave you with something to think about, given this level of seamless integration video, control, advanced audio all over one single inexpensive network cable, how might this completely change the architecture of future smart buildings? How does it change a corporate campus, maybe moving them away from all that dedicated parallel AV cabling for good?